Right now, somewhere in the world, a person with no employees, no office, and no venture capital is running a business that generates 5 figures a month. Their entire workforce? AI agents. Not chatbots, not simple automations. Actual digital workers that research, write, negotiate, schedule, and deliver around the clock without coffee breaks. And here's the part that should make you uncomfortable. Most people still think making money with AI means writing prompts for ChatGPT. That's like saying you understand the automotive industry because you once sat in a car. So let's actually talk about what's happening, because the opportunity here isn't theoretical, it's already playing out. And the people who understand it first are going to have an absurd advantage over everyone else. Let me give you a quick distinction because it changes everything. A tool does what you tell it. An agent decides what to do, then does it. When you ask ChatGPT to write you an email, that's a tool. When you deploy an AI agent that monitors your inbox, identifies high-priority leads, drafts personalized responses, schedules follow-ups, and updates your CRM, all without you touching a single button, that's an agent. The difference isn't just semantic, it's economic. Tools save you time. Agents replace entire job functions, and that replacement is where the money lives. In 2024, the global AI agent market was valued at roughly $5 billion. By 2030, projections put it past $47 billion. That kind of growth doesn't happen because of hype. It happens because businesses are discovering that one well-designed agent can do the work of 3 to 5 humans in certain roles, faster, cheaper, and without ever calling in sick on a Monday. So how do real people turn this into income? Let me walk through the paths that are actually working right now, not in some hypothetical future. Path 1. Build agents for other businesses. This is the most immediate opportunity, and it's strangely underserved. Small and medium businesses, law firms, real estate agencies, e-commerce brands, marketing companies are drowning in repetitive tasks. They know AI exists, they've heard the buzzwords, but they have no idea how to implement any of it. That's where you come in. Using platforms like CrewAI, AutoGen, LangChain, or even no-code tools like Make, N-NN, and Relevance AI, you can build custom AI agent workflows for clients, a lead qualification agent for a real estate firm, a customer support agent for an online store, a content research and drafting agent for a marketing team. The beautiful part? You don't need to be a software engineer. The barrier to entry has collapsed in the last 12 months. What you need is the ability to understand a business problem and architect an agent solution around it. People are charging anywhere from $2,000 to $15,000 per agent build, with monthly retainers for maintenance and optimization. Path 2. Deploy agents inside your own business. Let's say you run a freelance writing service, a consulting practice, or a small agency. Right now, you're probably doing dozens of tasks manually: prospecting, invoicing, onboarding, content creation, data analysis. Each one is a candidate for an agent. One creator I follow built a content production pipeline using AI agents. One agent researches trending topics, another writes first drafts, a third optimizes for SEO, and a fourth schedules and publishes. His content output tripled. His costs dropped by 60%. He didn't fire anyone, he just stopped needing to hire. That's the real unlock. You don't scale by adding people anymore, you scale by adding agents. Path 3. Create and sell agent templates. This is the productized version of Path 1. Instead of building custom solutions for individual clients, you build reusable agent workflows and sell them as products through marketplaces, your own website, or platforms like Gumroad and WAP. Think of it like selling blueprints instead of building houses. Lower revenue per unit, but infinitely scalable. Now here's where most people go wrong. They obsess over the technology and ignore the problem. They spend weeks learning every framework, every model, every API, and then they have no idea who to sell to or what to build. The money isn't in knowing how agents work. The money is in knowing which problems are expensive enough that businesses will pay to make them disappear. A law firm doesn't care about your tech stack. They care that their intake process takes 45 minutes per client and you can cut it to 5. Start with the pain, then build the agent. We're at the beginning of something that resembles the early internet, not in a cliché, motivational poster kind of way, but structurally. In 1995, anyone who could build a basic website had an outsized advantage because demand was enormous and supply was tiny. That's exactly where we are with AI agents today. The window won't stay open forever. As tools mature and competition increases, margins will compress and differentiation will get harder. But right now, in this window, the leverage is extraordinary. So the real question isn't whether you can make money with AI agents, it's whether you'll start before the rest of the market catches up. And if you're wondering which specific industries are paying the most for AI agent solutions right now, that's a rabbit hole worth going down next.